Alright, this is Nathan and Chuck, and right now here we got a bridge rectifier circuit with a Zener diode and a cap. So right here we got our transformer. It's 120 volts RMS, 60 hertz, and then we have that connected all the way here to our diode bridge, which one comes on the top and one comes to the bottom. And as well it flows, it will go through this resistor in series, which is 470 ohms, and then that will flow through the Zener diode and all these other resistors we have in load. And then we have this cap in here to smooth out the voltage. Now to get our max current that the circuit can handle, we did watts over voltage. So the Zener is rated for 1 watt and it's for 5.1 volts. And if you do the math, you get 196 milliamps. That's just the maximum current that the circuit can handle. That's not what we're flowing through it. And then right here, so to find this value for this resistor, we did our voltage source minus our voltage out over current, and that gives you 24.3 volts minus 5.1 volts, as 24.3 is flowing through the circuit and then it's being regulated 5.1 by the Zener. And then that will give you 19.2 over 0.040 for 40 milliamps, and that gives you 480 ohms. Now it's not a 480 ohm resistor, so we rounded down to a 470 ohm resistor. And then for this formula right here, we did our current squared times 480 ohms, and that gives us 0.768 millivolts. And then this right here, our 333 ohms, is all these loads in parallel. So 1 over 1,000, 1 over 1,000, 1 over 1,000, all over 1, and that will give you 333 ohms.
Okay, this is our breadboard with our bridge rectifier, smoothing cap, and Zener diode. We have here our yellow leads on the print are indicated as secondary side. We're coming in anode to anode, cathode to cathode, leaving out. Our capacitor is right here. Correct polarity, negative side, positive side. And our Zener diode with our series resistor. If you look up at the screen right now, power's on. We're maintaining 5.1 volts with no load. We had a 1K ohm resistor on the load side. We're at 1.1 volts. We're going to add one more, and you'll see a little bit more drop. It's still well regulated, but now we're at 5.07. One more, 1K.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
And we're still maintaining 5.07 volts. So our Zener diode is doing its job. It's regulating around 5 volts.